Indola, it's a smart company. We always go with the trends, and that's why we are showing you today the new product which is called Act Now. These are vegan line, really natural, really sustainable.
See you all. My name's Nazih Smith. I am the global ambassador for Indola. Okay, so this will just allow the hair to be pushed around.
For 𝐭𝐻 as a sustainable fashion e-marketplace, it is amazing to be collaborating with Indola Act Now because we're on the same journey to embrace sustainability and embrace eco-friendly practices.
Beauty world for me is something that gives me a new inspirations, they give me a new power to create a new stuff.